Welcome back to Screwshop.co.uk. I'm Drew, here with another one of our special deals. This one's our DIY special, 14 items for just £99. Let's see what you can get your hands on. We'll start off with this 10-piece Engineer's magnetic screwdriver set. Then we'll have these Contractors mixed paintbrush set and this professional rollers frame and tray. Next we'll go on to these Tough Light grip gloves and these extra tough builder's wipes. Next we have two of our Sudal decorators cork. Our best-selling CT1. Next we have our sealant gun and our GP200 silicone. Next we have 600 piece assortment of our best-selling turbo quick screws in a nice little handy carry case. Then you can have our fine surface filler and a 2-piece knife set. And last but not least, we will throw in a Screwshop tape, you can't forget that, and we'll even throw in a free hand sanitizer as well. So yeah, head over to screwshop.co.uk and check out this deal and all the other deals you can get your hands on. Thanks for watching.